Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kat. Today I'm going to be doing a video all about what I got for my birthday. If you're interested in seeing that, just keep watching. So I recently celebrated my birthday, and for those of you who don't know, I am a Libra, so you understand that I am super indecisive. Making decisions is like detrimental. It's just really hard for me, but you know, day by day I'm getting better. Yeah, so to start off, I made the decision to go to New York. I've never been to New York, and I was like, okay, that would be a perfect time to go. Like I said, I'm a Libra, so making decisions can be very difficult for me. It took me a minute to say, yeah, I'm gonna go to New York. Oh yes, I'm gonna go. No, I'm not. And especially during this time with COVID, it's really hard to say like what's good, what's not good, is it safe, is it not safe. Long story short, I did end up going to New York for my birthday. That's one of the things that I got. It was absolutely beautiful. I stayed in this hotel that just had like views for days. Like when I woke up, the views were amazing. The evening view was amazing. The nighttime view was amazing. One thing about me, I die for views. Like I die for a city view. It was really fun. I had a really great time. My friend decided to go. It was nothing planned. It was nothing that was like scheduled or anything, and I'm really glad I went that way because like usually I can be very like extra, and I think doing that definitely helped me have a good time for the trip. So it allowed us to do some like sightseeing because she hadn't been to New York before as well. In terms of like the kickoff for the things that I got myself for my birthday, that would be the New York trip. The next few things are things that I got for myself while I was in New York. And just to give you kind of like a representation, I had to get a, you see that? I had to get a carry-on bag because I needed to put this stuff away. So let's just open this up and stop the yapping so you guys can see. And honestly, I haven't even opened this. I packed this like almost a week ago, like right before I left, and I haven't unpacked it since. So first things first, so I ended up going to Gucci, and I had my eye on it when I went to one of their locations in Miami, and I was like, you know what, this is cool. I've been needing this type of color situation, so why not? The packaging is so cute. Yes, love. Let's open it up. Come on. Okay. When you open up the box, it comes with the like this Gucci envelope, and in the envelope you have your, honestly I don't even know what it is. So no, it says from the lady who helped me while I was there. Her name was Jessica. She says, happy birthday, hope you have an amazingly Gucci birthday. XOXO Jessica. Oh guys, how freaking cute. Oh, so cute. I like it. That's really nice. So that was a really nice touch. Aw, I really like that. So okay, it comes in a silk dust bag here. Voila. In the silk dust bag is the bag, all wrapped up and everything. Let me do this strap. Okay, here it is. I got this mini Gucci bag because if you guys cannot tell from my Instagram, when I do throw on a bag, it's a really small bag. I love a good mini bag. But yeah, so this is the bag here. It's the mini Gucci bag, and literally so freaking cute. I think I needed something to throw. Every time I wear like anything black, I'm always like, oh, I wish I had a red bag to just like throw it on. So this is like perfect size for me. So but yeah, this is the first item that I got, and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to like finally wear it and stuff. But yeah, this is the first item. The next thing I got, I ended up going to Bloomingdale's, and in Bloomingdale's, I got this fragrance from Mason Francis, who creates like the Baccarat and all of that. I knew for sure I didn't want to get Baccarat, but when I was buying my sister her birthday gift, I bought her Baccarat, and because she's like really into it and she really wanted it. So when I was there, I was at Neiman's, I tested, sampled another fragrance from this guy, and it is Gentle Fluidity. Oh my god, guys, it smells so good. I feel like it definitely smells expensive, definitely smells luxe. I love this. I choose this over Baccarat for freaking sure, because like everything about it is just like amazing. Like I die. So I can't wait to start wearing this. It's like so good. I know I'm gonna love it for sure. But yeah, this is the next thing that I got. So I went to Dior. I also got me a few things from there. First of all, I just want to say the quality at Dior and the service, absolutely amazing. These are the two things that I got from Dior. This is the first thing here. And guys, the packaging, so nice. Hold on guys, I'm trying to get content for Instagram. I just don't even want to untie it. So cute. I bought two things from Dior. One of them being these slides. So here's the shoebox. It comes with the Dior card in there, and then the dust bag, and then I die. These are the slides here. They're like absolutely perfect. I like them. I feel like I'm gonna get some good use out of them. I feel like I'm gonna wear them for sure. And again, I just love the style of this shoe, the texture of this shoe, and again, with it on my feet, I like how they look. So these are definitely a yes for me. Okay, so in this little box here is my next item from Dior, and this item holds something really cool and really nice. So freaking cute. I die. The item that I got comes in this dust bag here. It's a bracelet. So CD here for Christians, y'all. So I'm really trying to up my arm candy game and like really have like quality pieces that I think would last for a long time and can kind of like be styled up and down. So even if I'm like on a casual day, I think this piece would look really nice. I love, it's so cute. So yeah, this I'm going to just be wearing with my different little accessories and stuff. So yeah, I've been wanting something cool, so I said why the hell not, and I got this. So super cute. So that's this piece here. Those are all my gifts that I got for myself. The next set of items that I'm going to show you are items that I received from my friends, and I am going to kick off with this. My friend Angie got this for me. Guys, the bag has been sealed the whole time, and when I tell you the smell is so strong, like it smells so good. Again, I had to travel with this from the airport, but look at this, how freaking cute. Just the bag itself. All right, so it comes with a card and it says someone cares here, and she does. She got me this for my birthday. And then it comes with a card, and the card says, to a new chapter in life, be bold and let your story unfold. Happy birthday, Kat. Love, Angie. Oh, so cute. I like almost kind of like started doing some emotional shit right there. Okay, relax, Kat. Okay, that's really nice. I told her thank you. I was like, I just want to save it because guys, so I haven't opened any of these. This is like authentically my reaction. How beautiful. are these fucking flowers? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me how pretty. They are so pretty, so gorgeous. I'm absolutely in love with this. Oh my God, these are like, but yeah, these are from Venus et Fleur. So she got me some flowers, and they are the eternity flowers, so they pretty much last like for like at least a year. But yeah, so thank you, Angie, for getting me those flowers. They are absolutely amazing. I love them. I get to add them in here in my little studio. They're so cute, and then I don't have to worry about like getting flowers all the time. I think it's a really nice gesture to receive flowers, and so for her to send me flowers, I'm like, I die. I absolutely love it. Okay, so the next item I got something from Pandora. My friend Brenda got me this. She basically, you know, she heard me saying how much I really like Pandora. Like I mentioned, I'm trying to get my like arm candy like accessories up, and I want them to be like dainty, cute pieces. So this is from Brenda B. I love Brenda so much. So let's open up her. And then it comes in this cute box here. Guys, so freaking pretty. It's a bracelet, and it's like a tennis like drawstring type of bracelet. So pretty, and it's like a rose gold color. Again, dainty and so freaking cute. Oh, this is gonna go great on my wrist. Like, look at it. Do you see that? Thank you, Brenda. I love you. You know that. You know I love you so much. I love you like a fat kid loves cake, period. I got this next, and it's from Louis Vuitton. This is from my good friend Kathia, and so she got this for me. Kathia is just like always there, super available, no matter what. Literally would give a shirt off her back. To be fair, I'm not really sure what it is. I never opened it. And yes, let's do it. And then you just pull back here. Don't know. To match my bag. You guys know I have the Alma BB in the Damier print. You hear me? I'm just so annoying. So yeah, this literally matches my bag right now. This is so amazing. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Kathia. I love it so much. I love it. I love it. And guys, I didn't have a card holder, so she got me this, and she was saying, just know that it's something that you're gonna need, because the last time we were together, you didn't have it, and you were saying how you needed it. So she just, thank you, Kathia. Thank you so much. I really love it. So yeah, this is it. That's all the physical things that I received. And in closing, I just wanna mention that throughout that day, I received so many gifts that were tangible and non-tangible. And one gift that I must say that I am so glad that I received, it is the gift of life. I woke up that day, my eyes opened up, and you know, I stepped out of the bed functionally, no issues, in good health. And I think that in itself, if I only had that, I am well off. Like, there are so many people who are wishing and hoping and would like that, and they didn't get a chance to get there, and so I did. And so waking up on my birthday was definitely a true gift for me. In addition to that, I received so many text messages and like phone calls and videos online, and I cannot express how grateful I am to be able to take on this next chapter. I don't know what it's going to consist of, but I really hope it's me putting my best foot forward and definitely just like living and, you know, doing the best that I can and fully just being present. Yeah, so I had a really good birthday. That is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.